would say believe in you and look into online businesses.
At what age? What age would you do that?
Man, oh my God, if I would have known, I mean,
15 when you first started working, right?
Yeah, that would be great. I just didn't know that you could really, I mean, everyone that's listening to this, not even just Amazon, like you can make so much money online from just coming up, whatever you're passionate about, right? I mean, when I was a little younger, I mean, there wasn't that much. Internet was still like just like social media.
Right.
It was just starting, but now you have access to, you know. So I would say my advice is look into online business. I was just mostly focused on like, okay, I'm gonna work for a company and and to scale up the corporate ladder, and you're only limited on that, right? So again, I would say I've always wanted to start my business, but I would say look into